Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to copy a group video chat invite link on the Telegram app on your PC with the newest update. This is perfect if you want to easily invite friends or colleagues to join a video chat in your group. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, find and open the group where you want to start the video chat. Next, look towards the top of the group chat window and click on the call icon. It's the middle icon in the row at the top. This will bring up options for starting a call. Choose Start Video Chat from the options that appear. Then, you'll be prompted to select your account. Pick your account and click Continue to begin the video chat. Now that the video chat is live, head over to the top right corner of the screen and click on the three dots to open the menu. From this menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll find an option called Share Invite Link. Click on that, and Telegram will generate a unique invite link for your group video chat. Once you have that invite link copied, you can paste it anywhere in messages, emails, or social media, making it easy to invite others to join your group video chat instantly. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can share your group video chat invite link quickly on Telegram for PC, ensuring everyone you want can join the conversation effortlessly. Give it a try and enjoy your group video chats on Telegram with ease.